That's Lily on the right. Pickles right here. Shelby there. Having a little trouble waking up today. Pickle Pie, you gonna wake up? Oh, Lily, you can help. Come on, Pickles. Time to get up. There's Lily. Okay, just a minute, Lily. Gotta wake these guys up. Look at Lily as she'll crawl onto my arm. There's my Lily. That's my girl. We'll get going in a minute. Pickles, you gonna wake up? That's rough waking up. Good girl.